Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop junk email in Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to the home section, click on that, and then here at the top right you'll see these three dots. And once you click on it, it will give you more commands, and then you get a drop down. So come here, hover over junk, and then click here on junk email options. And now we get different options that you can use. By default, it will be set to no automatic filtering. And if you choose any of these options, these other options do become available. First, let me show you this one. So you can permanently delete suspected junk email instead of moving it to the junk email folder. That will stop it, right? So you can put that there. Make sure you apply your changes. And you can also do this one. Low will basically move the most obvious junk email to the junk email folder. And these are recommended options as well. For example, disabling links and other functionality in phishing messages can warn you about suspicious domain names and email addresses. Just hit apply, then hit OK. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.